The U.S. Air Force has been a leading force in military technology and innovation for decades and has one of the most technologically advanced and powerful Air Force branches in the world. American fighter jets are designed and manufactured with precision and quality in mind. In this video, we will take an up-close and personal look at the top 8 American fighter jets. Get ready to be blown away by the power and sophistication of these incredible machines. Number 8. The F-4 Phantom II. Starting off is the F-4 Phantom II, a 2-seat supersonic, long-range, all-weather fighter-bomber developed for the U.S. Navy by McDonnell Douglas. The Phantom II was notorious because it was one of the first U.S. military aircraft to have air-to-air missiles and air-to-ground missiles. The F-4 was a successful military aircraft, and it was first to have an integrated M61 Vulcan cannon and an optical bombing system. The Phantom II had a length of 58 feet 5 inches and a wingspan of 38 feet. It had a top speed of 212 kilometers per hour and a range of 3,700 kilometers, and it was among the first combat aircraft to reach speeds over Mach 2. The F-4 is one of the most well-known aircraft of the Cold War era. The F-4s were also used during the Gulf War, Operation Desert Storm, and Operation Iraqi Freedom. The Phantom II was the only aircraft used by both of the USA's flight demonstration teams, the Thunderbirds and Blue Angels. A total of 5,195 Phantom IIs were built before production ended in 1981. As of 2022, more than 1,000 F-4s remain in service around the world in countries such as Iran, South Korea, Greece, and Turkey. Just like the F-4, the next fighter jet on this list also has variants. Number 7. The F/A-18 Hornet. The F-18 Hornet is a twin-engine, carrier-based fighter jet that is used in air-to-air and ground combat. The Hornet is armed with an M61A1A2 20mm Vulcan cannon and has an impressive loadout variety, including AIM-9 Sidewinder, AIM-7 Sparrow, and Maverick missiles. This jet has digital fly-by-wire technology and is used by the U.S. Navy and Marines. The F/A-18 is configurable both for photo reconnaissance and electronic countermeasures, which makes it very flexible for use on the battlefield. The Hornet was built without an afterburner and has a length of 58 feet and a wingspan of 40 feet. It can carry a payload of up to 17,750 pounds and was designed primarily as an air superiority fighter, but has additional capabilities, including ground attack and electronic warfare roles. The F/A-18 Hornet was first deployed by the U.S. Navy in 1983 and has since become an integral part of American Air Force operations. This fighter jet has been sold to many countries around the world, making it one of the most successful military aircraft in history, with over 1,200 jets still in service. Number 6. The F-16 Fighting Falcon. The F-16 Fighting Falcon is a 4th-generation multi-role fighter jet and is one of the most widely used fighter jets in the world. It was developed by General Dynamics and further produced and upgraded by Lockheed Martin. The F-16 has a top speed of Mach 2.0 and is armed with a 20mm M61A1 cannon and AIM-9M and AIM-120C air-to-air missiles. This is a versatile fighter jet that can be used both in air-to-air and air-to-ground combat. The F-16 Fighting Falcon can carry up to 18,000 pounds worth of fuel and weapons, which allows it to fly for up to 3 hours without refueling or rearming before returning home. It can carry a variety of weapons, including missiles and bombs, and has a state-of-the-art avionics system. It was designed to be a lightweight, supersonic, highly maneuverable air superiority day fighter that could also be used for ground attack duties with no modifications required. The F-16 Fighting Falcon was also designed to be relatively inexpensive as well as easy to maintain, with an overall length of 50 feet and a wingspan of 32 feet. The F-16 Fighting Falcon has been used in various conflicts, including the Persian Gulf War, the Iraq War, the war in Afghanistan, and the Syrian Civil War. The F-16 Fighting Falcon is considered to be the most successful jet in history, with more than 4,500 units produced and in use in over 25 countries. The U.S. military still operates it as an air defense aircraft. Number 5. The A10 Thunderbolt II. The A10 Thunderbolt II is a single-seat, twin-engine jet aircraft that is 53 feet long with a 58-foot wingspan and was primarily designed to be a ground attack aircraft. The Thunderbolt II is a third-generation fighter jet that was developed by Fairchild Republic. It has a top speed of 550 miles per hour at Mach 0.75 and is armed with a 30mm GAU-8A 7-barrel Gatling rotary gun. The A10 Thunderbolt II was built around the concept of the Gatling gun and was nicknamed Warthog because of its ungainly and aggressive appearance. This fighter jet was designed to destroy tanks and other armored vehicles and to provide support for ground troops. The U.S. Air Force considers the A-10 one of the most historically important aircraft and has been in service since 1977 and has flown over 20 million hours. It has also been used by other countries such as Israel, Saudi Arabia, and Iraq. The A-10 is still currently in service in the U.S., with a planned decommissioning in 2023. If you're enjoying these fighter jets so far, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Number 4. The AV-8B Harrier II. The AV-8B Harrier II is a second-generation vertical short takeoff and landing aircraft designed in the late 1970s by McDonnell Douglas and members of British Aerospace and Rolls-Royce. It was later further developed by BAE Systems and Boeing. Famous Operation Desert Storm air operations in 1991 were performed by the Harrier II and are the most notable in AV-8B history. Not to mention being able to take off vertically or on short runways, the AV-8B was incredibly maneuverable. The Harrier II was 46.4 feet long and had a wingspan of 30 feet and 4 inches, making it useful in tight situations. The Harrier II has a top speed of Mach 0.9 at 1,014 kilometers per hour and a range of 2,450 kilometers. Some of the most advanced weapons were added to the Harrier II, such as AMRAAM and Sparrow missiles, air-to-surface AGM-65 Maverick missiles, anti-ship Harpoon and Sea Eagle missiles, and a 25mm cannon. The AV-8B is used by the United States Marine Corps, the Italian Navy, and the Spanish Navy. The Harrier II entered service with the USMC in 1985. As of 2022, the USMC has 126 AV-8B Harrier IIs remaining, with 80 currently in service. Number 3. The F-15 Eagle. The jet in the third spot on our list is a twin-engine, all-weather tactical fighter jet designed to gain and maintain air superiority. The F-15 Eagle can reach Mach 2.5 and has a top speed of 1,875 miles per hour and can reach a maximum altitude of 65,000 feet. The F-15 is one of the best military jets in the world, with its capabilities in speed, weaponry, and armament load making it an invaluable asset for the U.S. military. The F-15 Eagle has been in service with the U.S. Air Force since 1976 and was created as a response to the Soviet MiG-25 Foxbat. The F-15 Eagle has a wingspan of 42 feet and is 64 feet long and is formidably armed. The F-15 carries AIM-9 Sidewinder missiles, AIM-120 AMRAAM missiles, and an M61A1 20mm 6-barrel cannon. With a range of over 3,500 miles, this fighter jet can carry a payload of over 23,000 pounds. The F-15 has served in many conflicts, such as the Gulf War, Operation Desert Storm, the Balkans conflict, and the Iraq War. Today, this jet is still incredibly popular and has been exported to several countries such as Israel, Saudi Arabia, Japan, and Singapore. As of 2022, there are over 500 F-15 Eagles in U.S. military services. Number 2. The F-35 Lightning II. Second to the top is the F-35 Lightning II, a fifth-generation fighter jet developed by Lockheed Martin in 1995 in cooperation with other major defense contractors such as Northrop Grumman and BAE Systems. This jet is built around an advanced modular architecture that allows it to be adapted for many different missions. It has a number of different features and variants that can be used for air superiority, ground support, anti-submarine warfare, and strike missions. The Lightning II has an advanced sensor suite that includes radar, an electro-optical target system, electronic warfare systems, and communications systems. The F-35 also has a powerful computer system that is used to process this information and make decisions about how to best attack the enemy. At 51 feet long with a wingspan of 43 feet, the F-35 Lightning II has a number of advanced weapons that can be used to target its enemy. These include a 25mm Gao 22/A cannon, 2 AIM-120CT air-to-air missiles, and can carry 2 2,000-pound GBU-31 JDAM guided bombs. This fighter jet has been in service since 2006 and is still one of the most technologically advanced combat aircraft in the world today. As of 2022, there are over 800 active Lightning II jets in the U.S. military. On the list of the top 8 fighter jets in the U.S. military is the F-22 Raptor. This fighter aircraft was designed to defeat the most advanced enemy aircraft, including those possessing stealth capabilities. The F-22 has no known peer and dominates the skies without being detected by radar. The Lockheed Martin Corporation manufactures the F-22 Raptor, a 5th-generation fighter aircraft designed to defeat all air and ground threats. The Raptor is a single-seat twin-engine aircraft that has an operational range of over 4,000 miles and is capable of performing rapid 360-degree turns. This aircraft is armed with a 20mm M61A2 Vulcan cannon and AIM-120C and AIM-9M air-to-air missiles. It is also very maneuverable, making it hard for enemy pilots to hit. This unmatched fighter jet has a wingspan of 44 feet and is 62 feet long. Only 123 F-22 Raptors are still currently in service. Well, that wraps up our list of the top 8 fighter jets in the U.S. military. Which fighter jets do you think are more practical, the A sequence or the F sequence? Also, did your favorite fighter jet make the list? Let us know in the comments. And if you learned about a new fighter jet in this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to Military Minds for more videos.